Kahapon, I was in a meeting with a first-time mom na client. And after our 1 hour-ish na discussion, sabi ko sa kanya, ano yung pinaka-tumatak sa'yo after this meeting? And she told me this one sentence na I told her about. Sabi ko kasi, ang insurance para yan sa negative events in life, whereas ang investment para sa mga positive events. Insurance is something that you get para makaiwas ka sa financial losses na typically because of negative events, such as, bakit ka kukuha ng car insurance? So that if mabangga ka or makabangga ka, hindi mo kailangang bayaran ng buo yung pagpapagawa dun sa kotse. Sa property, merong mga fire insurance or something against calamities na kung sakali masunog yan or magka-earthquake or bagyuhin, bahain, you get compensated for it para mapagawa mo yung bahay mo. Sa atin bilang human beings, we have health insurance. So that kung magkasakit tayo, meron tayong makukuha from the insurance company na financial compensation para makahelp sa pagpapagamot natin. Sa life insurance naman, kapag nag-pass away tayo, yung beneficiaries natin will get compensated. Bakit important yon? Kapag breadwinner ka, paano na lang yung family mo pag wala na yung kumikita, 'di ba? So sa pagkawala ng breadwinner, they get financial aid para hindi naman sila magsasuffer. Ngayon, sa investment, ito yung isipin nyo. Think about the happy events in your life. Like, starting a family, pang tuition fee ng anak mo kasi nasa school siya. Pag pumasa ng college, tuwang-tuwa tayo. So yes, for the college fund. May bago kang business na i-open. Magta-travel kayo for your retirement after all these years. So yung mga happy moments na yun, if you get some financial product today, na in the future, ang purpose niya ay mabigyan ka niya ng cash for those goals, then yun yung investment. It's something that you get now to provide future cash flow. Although nowadays, meron talagang products na kaya mag-provide ng both benefits. Like, may mga insurance na merong mga cash payouts in the future. But at the end of the day, you still have to designate, ano ba talaga yung main purpose ko dito? Is it for insurance ba? Or for investment ba? Because that will definitely affect the way you view that plan, the way na ima-manage mo yung product na yon in the years to come. And it will also affect your decision towards other financial products that may come your way. Walang isang financial product na sasagot sa lahat ng financial needs, financial goals natin. And throughout our life, we will definitely be dabbling in a lot of them. So, ayun. Insurance is for the negative events. Investment is for the positive events.